A pre-owned 2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty Platinum. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a transmission. This Ford has less than 154,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and moonroof. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.